What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the text style, size and colors on your Shopify store. So let's get right to it. First of all, as you can see here, I am on my Shopify store. I've signed in with my account. And what you want to do is to go to online store here from the tab or from the menu on the left. And then it'll open the themes by default. If not, click on it. And here, as you can see, I'm on the Dawn theme, which is like a pretty popular theme on Shopify, which is probably one of the themes that will be applied when you create your Shopify store by default. And what you want to do is to click on Customize here. And in here, in the editor, it'll open the theme editor. And in here, you want to go to theme settings, which is like this icon right here from the menu on the left. And let's first change the font style and size. So what you want to do here is to click on typography, and here is like a preview of my store, and here you have different options for the headings and for the body. Now let's change the heading style first. So here by default you have the assistant font. If you want to change it, click on change. Now you have some system fonts and you have some other fonts. So the difference is that system fonts are like the default fonts that will load faster and they might appear differently. The other fonts are downloaded onto a visitor's computer and might be slow at times. So keep that in mind when you like select a font. So let's first select one. So like let's go with the serif. Okay, and as you can see here, the font is changed in the headings. However, the menu font is still the same. Let's view the mono. Okay, and the sans serif. Looking good. Now let's view some other fonts as well to see how they look like this one. Okay, the Amiri font. You have the Arimo font, and as you can see, once you click on a font, it'll update. And the Arvo. Okay, I like this one, so let's keep this. And now here you can select, choose the like the weight of the font. So regular, italic. Okay, this is italic. I can make it bold or bold italic. Okay, let's go with bold. I like bold better. And then click on select to select the font. Now here the font that you select will be updated or will be changed site-wise. So on your home page, your products page, any page. So let's go to like the products page, default products, and as you can see here, the font is updated even on the products page. Let's go back to the home. Now here you have the font size scale, so we can make the font bigger here or smaller, so you can click and drag to control the font size. So let's keep it this size. I like it. Now let's go to the body, so the other text and the menus, change the font as well. So here once you click on any font, it'll update it instantly, as you can see here and here as well. The Armada, the Arapi. Okay, let's go back to Armada. I like it. Looks pretty good here. And I can click on load more, either in the system fonts here, the body, or in the headings to load more fonts. So you have plenty of font style to choose from. So let's this one. Okay, the crimson text, the Chivo. Okay, bitter by rhyme. Okay, let's go back to this one here. Choose Arvo. Okay, let's say I like Arvo. Okay, I'll select it. I can also control the weight, so regular, italic, bold and bold italic. Okay, let's say I like italic for the body itself. As you can see here, it updates on the buttons, on like the prices and email any place. So let's select it. You can also control the scale. So if you want your text to be a little bit bigger so it's easier for people to read, you can do that here, or smaller. And here, just bear in mind that you are viewing it on the desktop. On a mobile view, it might look different and things might get out of like frame. So keep that in mind. This is how it'll look like on mobile. But let's say you want to keep your text bigger. If you want it to if you want to make it like easier for your customers to read and things like that. Okay. Now let's go back to the desktop view. And now we edited like the font style and the font size. Now let's edit the color. And to edit the color, okay, go to the theme settings again. And this time you want to select colors from the theme settings. Last time we selected typography to edit the text style and fonts and size. So let's close typography and now click on colors. Now you can here notice that you have many schemes. So like for example, like the product title and price, this is like a black text on a white background. So this is the scheme that we want to edit this type of text. Like the text on the banner or the photo here is like a white text on a background, so probably it'll be one of 3 and 4. Like the buttons here, the sticker that says sale is like white text on a blue background, so it gives you an idea of the type of text that you want to edit. So let's say we want to edit this type, a black text on a white color. We click on scheme 1 and then we edit the text. Let's make it red, for example. And as you can see, any black text that's on a white background will be changed to red. Unfortunately, you don't have control over like individual text blocks to edit like the color of this text only and leave this other one, the basic shirt, like in black. You do not have this type of control, unfortunately. However, and also the menus, the my store, welcome to our store and everything. However, as you can see here, the white text on the banner didn't change color and the sale, the word sale, didn't change color. So we want to go back here to, let's say you want to make the word sale like yellow. So click on scheme 5, which is the blue background. Click on text and then let's choose like a yellowish text. Okay, let's make it darker so that it's noticeable that it is changed here. And as you can see, okay, let's make it a bit darker. Okay, as you can see here, you notice that the color is changing. Okay, let's make it this color. Okay, so if you want to change like the color of this text here on the banner, you want to go to this scheme. So change the white text. Let's make it blue. Okay, it's not this one, so let's edit the this one. Let's make it blue again, and as you can see here, it edited. So let's make it a bit lighter. Okay, this does it. So this is the way to edit the color of these different blocks of text on your Shopify store. So unfortunately, as I told you, you do not have the control over like specific like paragraphs and blocks and elements of text. However, you can edit your text color site-wide, and this will apply on this theme. So if you choose another theme, it might give you like more control over this. So basically, that's how easy it is to edit your text style, font, color, and size on your Shopify store.